Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hello, what's up, Days friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to another vlog. We're just done with our island hopping, guys, and pag-abot pa gid namo diri sa among guest house, which is in Villa Sandra here in Malapascua. So it's not just a pure travel, guys, but a travel with a purpose. This is sponsored, by the way, by BYC and also IPI. One day, one day, one day, one day. Yung sa imong name lang ga?
Jolo.
Ha?
Jolo.
Jolo. Pila naman mo edad?
12.
Eh, ikaw, ano sa imong name?
GN.
Ha?
GN.
GN? Imong edad?
Nice. Guys.
Oh, ang mga spaghetti na among gi-prepare for the kids. So, ang mga kuhan siguro, guys, kay mga 80 to 100. Thank you so much, IPI, for the soap na ipanghatag na mo sa mga bata. And also, this one is from James. Thank you so much, James. Chasing James. And nagpadiri ang mga kuhan. And also, from Gail. Nagpadiri mga school supplies. Na face mask. And ano siya for the kids.
We'll be chilling and having a
Kami
good
gikan sa Cebu from the BYC or Bisaya YouTubers Club. Si Daisy po, si Daisy, dakan pa. Ato po ba't Sir John sa iyang maayong buhat na pag-invite natin dito.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas.
Bow down our heads para sa prayer na kamanita. In the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen! Mabumabu! There you go.
Thank you for coming here, and we planned this before pandemic, guys. Children, you know, these guys, they plan already. Plano na nga moani sila before. But sa pandemic lagi, so karon i-try gid nila makaanhi gid para maka-provide basing gamay lang para sa tuwa kalipay para advance Christmas. So, dili na ako taason basta, guys, mga bata, continue lang mo Sabado kada ngari. I know since 6 years na lang gyapon ta, nakita-kita lang gyapon ta every Saturday. Until now, mga dagko na mo, mga creative na kayo mo, mga musician na mo. I'm so proud of you guys, and I hope you can continue, can continue. Don't always like this in cell phone, yeah, or computer or Ragnarok, something like that. So thank you for that.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss.
Thank you sa paghatag sa spaghetti. O sa kanay. Thank you, BYC. Thank you, BYC.
Ay, yung mga basura, ha? Ito man kayo, butan ninyo dire. Dire. Hey, shoot.
paan sila nga naman gihatagon mo. Salamat kayo sa inyong blessings, gihatag. Thank you.
I would like to thank IPI for sponsoring the soap, guys. Kanisha, Herbicin, for the kids. Ay panghatag na mo. And your eyes is? What's the color of your eyes?
Brown.
Oh. Nag-wash up sa ako kay para makabalik ko dito. Nag-ongoing pa ang ilang program sa mga bata dito. Yan, si Margaret nakailis na. Yan ako, maligo na ako kay alimukot na kayo. Gigan po ko island hopping. So, see you later, guys.
A few moments later.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach. In Christmas time. Chilling and having a good time.
Sa Malapascua, no?
Manasad ni teacher and then karon kay mag-presentation ang mga bata kay muna train mo na sila diri ni Sir June. Tara tan-aw na to ilang mga talent. So muna siya si Sir June guys, ang founder sa foundation dito sa Malapascua.
Falling, all the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Hala kids! Ngayong hapon! So, dakong pasalamat namo BYC nga natagaan ni chance nga ma-share among blessings sa inyo ha. I hope na naganahan na mo sa among nahatag sa inyo ha karong adlaw. Every Saturday na inyo ang mga activity padayuna.
I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach.
Alright, guys, friends, manami sa among activity for this afternoon. So I'm very happy to be able to share our blessings sa mga kids here in Malapascua. And also, guys, happy nila bisag sa pandemic kay nalipay sila. Please share your blessings to others kay mabalik ra gid na sa inyo ha. So moro to siya guys. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And if you want to join my membership, just click on the join button below so that makashare ta sa mga kids guys, and you can also support my channel and no way kay makashare sa ta sa mga other people. Inana guys, ma-share sa to mga blessings. So that's all guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye days friends!
chilling and
What's your name? What's your name, Ani?
Kanshi balls. That's our Bilasanda delicacy since 4 years the restaurant. So this is have a mango sauce, but later when we eat together, try only.
Kapon kita ni.
Yeah, no pork. All now I make is all vegetable. So
Wow! Yummy.
I think my
It's made of cabbage, puro vegetable, na carrots, and red pepper.
bell pepper.
So yeah, mo na siya. Try ko na nato. Lami? Lami, no?
Hi, these friends.
Guys, 20 pesos.
Oh! Nagluto sila og pizza. Vegetable pizza ni. Tanan vegetable ni. Unsay mga ingredients ano yun, kuya?
Guys, nagkuha na
Unsa kuya?
kalbasa, talong, o kuha na, kinayang mushroom.
Oh.
send you away. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
ano siya, dynamites.
More lumpia.
Okay, naiko ko ninyo kanina kay pagkaon daw.
This is the pad
Sa
thai.
pad thai. Made from
Vegetable
ginger.
hapon na kuan.
This is red beans, chickpeas, mushrooms, dried mushroom, fresh mushrooms,
Lahat ng mushroom.
Curry powder, no?
it's like pad thai sauce. So yeah. So, oy, ate.